Hi, I'm Barrett Jones. I'm an adult services librarian at the Ridgefield Library, and we're going to do a quick tour of the library's website showing you what you can access from home. I do want to point out if you don't have a Ridgefield Library card, you cannot access some of the resources that I'm going to show you. So we are issuing library cards still to patrons in Ridgefield. You can click on My Account, and that will take you to a page where then you'll see a link, Get a Library Card. So what you'll fill out Get a Library Card, and we'll provide you with a card number that will allow you to access some of the electronic resources I'm showing you today. Now let's take a look at collections. In collections, under the heading Downloadables, you'll see information about the platforms that we use to provide digital content. You'll also see here Finding a Good Book. The last link here, Websites for Book Lovers, has lots of interesting links to different sites devoted to different types of books, genres, authors, etc. Now let's take a look at research. Under research, you'll see a listing of all the databases the library has from A to Z, as well as lists divided by topic, including local history, health and wellness, community connections, and job search and careers. The library also offers a subscription to lynda.com, which are video classes, and Pronunciator, which is a language learning site. Some of these resources do require your library card number, so once again, if you haven't applied for a library card, go ahead and do so, and then you'll be able to access these resources. The library has put together some resources for parents on the main homepage. If you scroll down, you can see Stay Connected Activities. That's this listing here. And if you follow the links, it'll take you to some sheets that have been created by librarians for school-age children, consisting of various activities. And we also have a sheet for everyone for science, technology, and math activities. Here's a tip for finding an electronic resource. Go to Catalog and type in whatever term you want to search for. We'll do a search for the author Patterson. This will search the catalog. When you get the search results back, before you do anything else, go to Format and go to the pull-down menu and choose downloadable audiobooks or ebooks, magazines, music, video. So limit your search. We'll just search for audiobooks, downloadable audiobooks, and run the search again. And that way, all your search results will be links to the electronic versions of these books. And this is where you can use your library card number to check out and read these books. So keep that in mind for a quick way to find our electronic resources.